Hi everyone, Angela here. I'm going to show you how to make and add a tassel to this cushion. You can use the same method for blankets, table runners, and clothing. For this project, I'm using 8-ply cotton yarn. I'll leave a link for this and the tools I use down in the description. Cut 2 strands about 20 inches long. Thread one of them through a needle with a large eye such as a tapestry or chenille needle and match the ends. Thread the needle through one side of the corner and out the other side. Match the ends and then cut the strands from the needle. Hold all the strands together, loop it around, and slowly tie a knot at the top. Divide the strands into two, pull on them to tighten up the knot, and then leave them spread apart. Use a credit card or a piece of cardboard cut to the length you'd like your tassel. Hold the end at the bottom and wrap around 60 times. You can wrap around less or more depending on how full you'd like your tassel. Press and crease the top edge and then cut along the bottom. Open up and place that center crease on top of the open strands. Tie together tightly with a double knot. Fold down the strands to hide that knot and then use your fingers to comb it all down neatly. Take the other cut strand and measure about the length of the tassel and place it above. Form a loop at the bottom and hold on to it with one hand near the top. Take the other end and wrap tightly around the top of the tassel. It should be about 1/2 inch from the knot to the tie. Working your way down, wrap around tightly 5 times. Once done, thread the end through the loop and hold it down. Pull on the top end until the loop disappears in between the strands. Thread the top end and pass it through the loop underneath the knot and then down the other side between the strands. To help with trimming the ends, wrap a narrow piece of paper around the strands and then cut at the desired length. Make sure to have a look at my tutorial on how to make these cushion covers. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.